Chop, chop, chop. Hi everyone, it's Diana and welcome to my channel Eternal Glow, where I do reviews and tutorials about makeup and all things anti-aging and apparently hair sometimes. You know, anything for you. Today I have a tip that, okay, I'm gonna come clean. I'm not cutting my hair in this video, but this is just way too easy and too good of a tip that I couldn't keep from you. And it doesn't require me having to actually cut my hair to teach you. So it's gonna be super short. I know you're so excited and so ready to cut your hair, and I will not take up too much of your time. This is what you're going to do. This was taught to me by a hairstylist in Chicago when I did have bangs. You know, I'm gonna insert some pictures of myself with bangs so that you can know that I am a professional. I am not an amateur at bangs. I may not have them now, but I know the struggle. I know how much you just need to cut these bangs right now. I get it. I also know that you may regret how much upkeep they take, but I get it. You know, you need to. I am not going to get in your way. You need to cut these bangs, and I will help you, and I will help you do it the right way so that they look great and you feel fresh and like a little butterfly with fringe. You're going to look so wonderful. Okay, I feel like Glenda, the good witch. Should I be Glenda? Get the ruby shoes and click them 3 times. Okay, anyway, here we go. So what you want to do is start off small. We're gonna get a center part. I'm gonna get a center part here. Look at that. That looks amazing. That looks amazing, guys. Okay, anyway, back to fringe. You're going to start maybe like an inch away from your forehead and kind of go in a little V, right? So little V. You're going to brush this hair. Try to make it as even as you can with that little V. Here, I'm gonna grab a couple more hairs. You're gonna start off small because if this is not enough bang for you, not enough bang for your buck, then you're gonna just gently and slowly add more hair so that you don't just do like a whole chunk at once and regret it. Okay, you're gonna grab your hair in the middle. You're going to pinch it in the middle with your thumb on the bottom and pointer finger on top, and then you're going to twist. So now my thumb is on top, right? Then you're gonna grab it with your pointer finger on top, thumb on the bottom, and twist one more time, and then help with your other hand to give it a full revolution. Then what you're going to do is take a scissor and you're going to cut into it this way, going up. Just like, you're not gonna go straight across because it's gonna be a really, really blunt look. You just wanna have it really nice and cut upwards, okay? And then when you release, what's gonna happen is that you're gonna have shorter hair in the middle and it's going to taper down. And if that's not enough bang for you, just go back in and grab some hair from the top and sides, and I can't see that well, and then you're gonna go through the same process. Thumb on the bottom. Don't start the twist off too high like this because then your hair is gonna be, your bangs are gonna be really, really short. I'd say start off around like the tip of your nose. Thumb is on the bottom, pointer finger is on top. You're gonna do a full twist. Then you're gonna take your other hand, thumb on the bottom, twist halfway so that your fingers are pointing to the ceiling. And then grab your right hand and give it a twist, and now your pointer finger is on the bottom. Got that going. Then you're going to cut upwards. Then you're gonna have cute bangs. All right, so I hope this video helped you out. It's super easy. Let me know how you guys get on with it. If you'd like to see more of my videos, definitely please subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any other video ideas that you'd like me to do. I have so many ideas. I have the whole year planned, but I would love to hear what you guys would like me to do as well. So until next time, have a great day and week and keep on glowing.